If you're interested in investing in 2025, you have some money saved and you're looking to where you can invest in. There are four major asset classes you need to be considering, okay? The first one is equities. The second one is fixed income. The third one is real estate. The fourth one is commodities. Equities basically mean you're investing in corporate shares. You are buying shares into an organization that is listed on the stock exchange. Okay, in Nigeria, for instance, we have the Nigeria Stock Exchange, that's the NSE. In the US, for instance, you have the NASDAQ, which is majorly for technological firms. You have the New York Stock Exchange and the likes. But in Nigeria, we have the Nigerian Stock Exchange. So companies like Dangote, MTN, First Bank, you can buy shares into those organizations. Fixed income, which is the second one, involves investing in government bonds, treasury bills, basically low risk investment. That is, your income is fixed. You can be able to determine how much you'd make in a year. For instance, when you're investing in equities, you can't determine that. Okay, at the end of the year, your money can either go up or down. But in fixed income investment, you already know how much you are going to make before investing. Okay, if you want to buy a government bond, for instance, the government already tells you how much they are going to pay you at the end of that investment period. If you want to buy Dangote bond, for instance, Dangote will already tell you how much you're going to receive at the end of that investment period. It could be 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, a year, 2 years, depending on your own investment pattern. Okay, so that will determine the duration you're going to choose. The third one, which is real estate, means investing in commercial properties or residential properties. Okay, when we're talking about investments, we're not talking about you living in that property. No, you're investing in a property that you can give to other people to make money out of. All right, whether commercial properties or residential properties, people living in it or doing business in it, basically. The last one, which is commodities, is investing in things like gold, agricultural products, oil, and the likes like that. Okay, investing in commodities helps you in hedging against inflation. Usually, hedging means you are de-risking yourself. All right, it could be through diversification or other methods. That is, you are diversifying your investment. You are not putting all your eggs in one basket. You are diversifying it. You are choosing different products and you're investing in it. So that is another strategy you can consider, diversification. You can invest in two or just one of it. So if you're looking to investment, these are the asset classes you need to be considering. Okay, equities, fixed income, real estate, and commodities. You can invest in each of these asset classes or you can mix it. All right, you can diversify. You can invest in equities as well as fixed income. You can invest in fixed income as well as real estate. You can also invest in commodities as well as fixed income, depending on your risk averseness. All right, depending on the amount of risk you are willing to carry will determine the asset class you need to be looking at. All right, for instance, if you come to me to help you choose what investment to go into, what asset class to invest in, some of the questions I will be asking you is, how risk averse are you? Are you actually willing to risk that money you have? Okay, if you know you can't risk it too much, all right, you really need that money, I might tell you to opt for fixed income, for instance. Okay, that is a much lower risk investment. Okay, the government will always pay you back. It just might mean your interest will be very little, okay, compared to equities. For instance, equities, you might lose your money, but also in equity you can make a lot of money. All right, so these are the things you need to be considering if you're looking to invest in any of these asset classes. All right, cheers.